Hey, it's Jennifer from Quilting, Stitching, and Kitties. Happy early Valentine's Day. You guys know I'm not a big kit purchaser, but every once in a while I'll see a kit and think, can I beat that kit? You know, can I go out and get all those fabrics and do as good a job as they did when they put it together? And sometimes I say no, so I go ahead and I get the kit. So what did I get this time? This is from Jordan Fabrics. They're up in Oregon, and it's a log cabin table runner kit. It finishes at 13 inches by 45 inches, and if I follow all the directions, it will look like this. And it includes all the fabric for the top, the borders, and the backing. So I'm not sure I could beat this. So this is how it comes packaged, and it's all hand cut by the one of the owners of Jordan Fabrics. His name is Matt Jordan, and I've seen him cut, and his precision is incredible. So log cabins all cut to size. So it starts from the very little ones all the way up to the bigger ones. I mean, is that fun or what? All you have to do is pull off the directions, which I'm going to do very carefully, and start sewing. I mean, that's really fun. So they go through and they give you, I've done a couple of these log cabins, but as quilts. So they go through and they give you all the instructions on how to make it. And this kit was $35. And I know it's going to be adorable. So it's a basic log cabin. I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll be back. I just thought I'd show you the layout of the pieces before I finish the last two. Everything is cut exactly to size. So this is the center, and then you're moving in a clockwise direction. I finished the first two in less than 15 minutes, and I pressed every single seam before I added the next log. So what does it look like? I think it's just adorable, and I can't wait to finish the next two. I finished the table runner, except I decided to not make it a runner. I decided to make it a table topper. So I still used the 4 log cabins, but I turned it into a topper instead. And I decided not to use the fabric that they gave me for the back, but I went to my stash and I found some, wow, pink. And so I finished this, and please notice it is quilted and bound, which is really unusual for me. So then with the leftover fabric that I had, I thought, well, I'm going to make something else. So I had enough to make this little, I'm going to call this an oversized placemat, because I actually like big placemats. Then I just found somebody from my stash, crazy stash, fat quarter for the back. But I thought, well, this will be really fun. Oh, my table's going to get really pretty for Valentine's Day. But I wasn't done yet. I decided to make it my mission to use up all the fabric that I got with the kit. So then I made a little teeny tiny table runner, which I thought was really cute, and decided to go totally different for the back. And you know I like red, white, and black, so I put on pandas. I just thought, well, that's fun. Okay, but I still had some fabric left, so I managed to make a mug rug, and it got pandas too. And then I was done. This is it. That is all I have left from the kit, but I definitely got my money's worth out of it. So jordanfabrics.com. I've bought from them off and on for years, and they have some really cute stuff. So you might just look at it sometime. Remember, I don't advertise for anybody. I just tell you about places that I really like. So I hope you have a nice Valentine's Day, and I will be back again real soon. Take care of yourself. Bye.